Number 1. Bradistan aka Bradford. Bradford is a city in West Yorkshire that has been well known for having high crime rates over time. It was stated to have one of the highest rates of crime in the UK in 2024, with a concerning rise in violent crimes. The majority of crimes that are committed here are assaults and robberies. These situations are usually created by us Asians. Lol. Anyways, number 2, Newport. Located in South Wales by Cardiff, one of the most peaceful place on earth. Has a crime rate of 0% and is the safest place in Wales. Recommended areas to visit are Pill and Stow Hill, full with happy and loving people around you. Number 3, BRUMMMM aka Birmingham. The second largest city in England, Birmingham, has struggled with crimes for several years. It has been noted as one of the UK cities with the highest rates of crime as of 2024. Robberies and violent crimes are the most common sorts of crimes in Birmingham. Oh goodness. Number 4, MANNEH aka Manchester. Over the years, Manchester has had to deal with serious crime issues. It has been noted that as of 2024, this is one of the UK's most violent cities. Theft, break-ins, and violent crimes are the most frequent crime types in Manchester. So not halal moody. Number 5, London. London, the most chavvy place on earth. London has been listed as one of the UK cities with the highest rate of crime as of 2024. Robberies, violent crimes, and thefts are the most common sorts of crimes in London. Definitely not surprised by this. Number 6, Nottingham. Again, violence and theft crime blah blah, yet it is one of the most NPC place I ever been to. Number 7, Liverpool. Ooh. Has bare drug dealers and again bare crimes. Probably one of the most safest places to live as a new resident. Number 8, Glasgow. Glasgow is basically Bradistan number 2. There was a concerning 17% rise in violent occurrences, such as shankings and assaults, resulting in a 45.1 crime index. Shoplifting and pickpocketing are two theft-related occurrences that have increased throughout this time. Bloody hell. Number 9, Leeds. It has been recognized as one of the UK's most safest cities after Liverpool as of 2024. No fight crimes nor any assaults and is perfect for a family vacation. Number 10, Bristol. Robberies and other violent crimes have not been a problem at all in Bristol. Also another lovely peaceful city in the UK and is recommended to go with family for shopping. Last but not least, Blackpool. Has less than 760 crimes per 10,000 residents, making this lovely city the safest place up north.